Have you ever wished you could track your devices throughout your home, just like Apple's Find My network? Today, I'll show you how to build a local Find My network using the affordable ESP32 microcontroller and Home Assistant. With just a few ESP32s, you can turn your home into a smart device tracking system. Let's break down how it works. ESP32 boards act as Bluetooth proxies. This means they scan for Bluetooth signals from your devices like your phone or smartwatch and relay that information to Home Assistant. The setup uses ESPHome, so integrating with Home Assistant is easy. You'll assign each ESP32 to a room in your house, your living room, bedroom, office, wherever you want to track devices. When your device enters a room, the nearest ESP32 detects it and tells Home Assistant. Now, you can check exactly where your gadgets are, whether they're under the couch or lost in the laundry. By placing ESP32s in different rooms, you get room-level tracking. It's perfect for finding misplaced tech, and it can even enhance home automation by triggering actions when you enter or leave a space. Bluetooth device tracking inside your home. Easy setup using ESPHome. Room-level accuracy with multiple ESP32s. Seamless integration with Home Assistant. Ready to build your own smart tracking network? Grab a couple of ESP32s, install ESPHome, and follow this guide. Your devices will never go missing in your home again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for source details and setup instructions. Thermobotics.